It's Route 66 Connect. You know I came from nothing.
Oh, I see.
Purchase your tracks today.
The gutter. D-boy, she's gonna ride with me. Banned me from the beach, cause I couldn't stop dripping. Pretty ladies with me, gripping grain and now we sipping. Matter of fact.
What's cracking YouTube? It's your boy SPANKdaWORLD. And first and foremost, I want to hope everybody out there enjoying their day today, man. Y'all already know. We getting in and getting out. We gonna make it quick, short and sweet. You already know how we get down, man. But like I was saying in the last video, man, we messing with Sky Blue today, baby. We put the rallies on her. Today we gonna tackle this steering wheel, man. I went to AutoZone, picked up the pulley or whatnot, so you know, that's what we getting into today, man. If it ain't too much trouble, can y'all hit that subscribe button for me? Like the videos, comment on the videos and all that, man. Like I say, we messing with Sky Blue today. About to put that woody wood in, you know what I mean? Y'all see her? Y'all see her? Yeah, she about to get that woody wood put in, man. But I ain't gonna talk too much, man. Let's get this camera turned around and let's get started. Let's do it.
minutes later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Okay, guys, so we finally finished with the we finally finished with the steering wheel, man. Man, that was a little rough. I ain't even gonna lie to you. That mug, it was rough. It was rough on your boy, but I got it done, man. After a few hours, it's been a few hours, man. Wrestling with it, you know, having to redo stuff, take stuff off, put stuff back on. Figure this out, figure that out. It ain't never easy. Ain't never easy as it looked. But your boy, we figured it out, man. So, like I say, finally got it done. Steering wheel done, man. Got the steering wheel on. So, you know, I'm happy with it, man. Finally. And ain't too much trouble, man. Hit that subscribe button, man. But we got the wood grain on. We good there. And I don't know what's gonna be next, man. We might mess with this the music a little bit, man. We got that factory radio in there, so that gotta go. So I'm just trying to decide what radio I want to get because I ain't cutting my bezel. I ain't cutting the dash or none of that. So just trying to decide. I'm probably gonna end up going with a flip out because I need a single DIN. So I'm either gonna get a flip out, single DIN, flip out radio, or get one of the single DIN halos radios, you know, the bigger radios that just sit there, if I can find a single DIN one. But yeah, man, that was it, man. Wrestled with the wood steering wheel. We got it in there, looked good, gripped that grain, and hope y'all like it, man. But ain't too much trouble. Hit that subscribe button, man. Stay tuned, there's more to come with Sky Blue.